Hi, welcome to Lawson Woods PNW. I'm Lawrence, the host. This week, snow is in the forecast. I hope you enjoy. Well, join me as I walk through the property as we celebrate the beginning of spring, or Imbolc in our Celtic traditions. If you're a pagan and you follow, you'll understand what I mean. But this is a beautiful, beautiful winter storm that's come through and blessed our beautiful property here in Lawson Woods. Throughout the property, I'm lucky enough to have a lot of different flowers that are already starting to pop up, like my daffodils, for instance, some lilies. All sorts of different root plants are just starting to peek up through the ground. No flowers yet, but I bet you here next week or two we'll start to see some. The birds are just loving this time of year, as you can hear, and of course I'm always actively feeding them and trying to give them a little head start in the spring. I've had these same primroses coming up that you'll see here in a moment for like several years now. It's really quite interesting. But yeah, here they are coming up and saying hello, and a couple other little daffodils and probably lilies in there that are about to sprout up too. So spring is right here. We are in the essence of spring right now. Even though, yes, a little snow, that's okay. We had to sleep in the cabin the other night because Edwina unfortunately had a little accident in the bed in the main house. So, middle of the night, we had to come out to the cabin and sleep. And it was peaceful, a little cold, but we stayed warm enough underneath the sheets and covers and a couple of doggies. That's all you need to keep warm, really. And it was kind of fun. We were camping in the winter. The snow here in Lawson Woods is expected to stick around for the next few days, so not sure what will happen, if I'll be able to go to work or not. I hope so, but if not, it is what it is. Cannot control Mother Nature. Well, I should say, most people can't control Mother Nature. A little bit of magic can go a long ways, however. We're really lucky here in Lawson Woods because being on the sound, the Puget Sound, it really does regulate the temperatures quite significantly. And in fact, we only get about 1 or 2 days of actual snowfall, and that's about it for the year. Once in a blue moon, we'll have a good storm come through. But overall, our winters are mild here, 30s and early 40s for most of the winter, and a lot of rain. Not a whole lot of snow, so when we get it, I really try to get as much as I can on camera and really try to get out there and enjoy that time with the dogs, with Mother Earth, and our beautiful, beautiful place that we have here. And of course, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel at Lawson Woods PNW. All right, well, let's check on the stone circle here. The snow is just, oh, effortlessly coming down and blessing this beautiful ground, these beautiful stones that came here from this land. It's kind of interesting here in the back half of the property. You'll notice not as much snow is actually sticking to the ground. Well, I would assume because of the microclimates with all the trees around, it's kind of keeping things a little bit more comfortable for the flora and fauna. Well, it's time to check on the goldfish and see how they're doing and holding up. Well, good news here, the pond has not frozen over and water is still moving, which is really promising. They're going to stay all huddled up together and trying to stay warm as much as they can. Thank you again for joining another episode of Lawson Woods P&W.